Good evening. So let's discuss the water solubility of these two drugs, Ansaid and Motrin. They belong to the group of the drugs known as the non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, and basically these drugs are used to decrease the inflammation in the body. That is the anti-inflammatory drugs. Both these drugs are slightly soluble in water. As you can see, there are lots of hydrophobic parts in them, and hydrophilic part is very low. That is why it is slightly soluble in water, but one is slightly more soluble than the other. Which drug do you think have greater solubility in water? So now we have to compare the solubility. Although both are slightly soluble, but we have to compare which is more soluble in water. Now if we see the organic molecule which is soluble in water, they can form hydrogen bond with the water. Like suppose if we have methanol, so methanol can form hydrogen bond with the water molecule. Yes, they can form hydrogen bond with the water molecule. That's why methanols are what? Soluble in water. Similarly, we have to see here, this is carboxylic group, here this is carboxylic group. They can form hydrogen bond with the water. So we can say one hydrophilic part is here, carboxylic group, that is the functional group, and rest in the Motrin, rest all these are hydrophobic part. They can't form hydrogen bond with water. These are the carbon chains. In this also, this total part, that is the phenyl ring, will be insoluble, or basically it's hydrophobic. But this fluorine, as we know that fluorine, oxygen, nitrogen, all they form hydrogen bonding. So this fluorine can also form hydrogen bond with the water. So in the case of Ansaid, there are two hydrophilic part, that is one fluorine and other this carboxylic acid. But in case of Motrin, there is only one hydrophilic part, that is the that will attract towards the water and form hydrogen bond. So we can clearly say that both are slightly soluble because both having a large number of these hydrocarbon chains, that is the isobutyl along here, and these are two phenyls. But Ansaid will be more soluble, comparatively more soluble than Motrin, because there are more number of sites where hydrogen bond can be formed. Thank you.